5 tips that I've learned through my TikTok journey and that I think are the best way to grow a TikTok following fast. Let's get into it. What it be? What it do? Spencer Twitchell with another TikTok review. Alright, we're gonna have to cut that out of the video. No, but guys, I'm Spencer Twitchell and I make a bunch of videos about TikTok, making money online, social media, and a bunch of other content like that. But in this video specifically, we're going to be talking about the 5 most important things, in my opinion, that will get you the most growth on TikTok fast. If you've been following my channel for a little bit, you probably know that I strongly believe that TikTok is the best way to go from trying to grow a brand or trying to grow a personal page or anything in between. And the reason for that is because it is so powerful for small brands and small people to actually grow a following literally overnight. Like, you could start a TikTok page tonight and then wake up the next morning with like 100,000 followers. It's insane. So while a lot of your TikTok fame is kind of dependent on if your videos go viral or not, let's talk about the 5 things that are most important in actually making that happen. Alright, so for my first tip for you guys is that you really want to niche down on a specific group of things or a specific interest in mind with your page. So that's right, niching down is key here, very similar to how you want to do that on Instagram or even YouTube. So as of recording this video, I actually have 2 different TikTok accounts. One I've talked about previously, which is my personal page. I've talked about dropshipping and making money on like Instagram and other forms of social media, similar to how I do with this YouTube channel, but I just did it on TikTok and tried to get some growth on there. And that actually worked really well for me. Within like my first couple 10 videos, I had one go viral and get like 200,000 views. I wouldn't say it's actually like viral, but it's a lot more views than I'm used to, considering I only have like 500 subscribers on my YouTube channel. And I firmly believe that the only reason that I got this amount of views this quickly was because all of the content I was posting like within the short period of time was all related to dropshipping. I just kept talking about how to make money online. And once people saw one of my videos, they would be more likely to look at my other videos. And as a result, they would likely follow me because they're interested in the stuff I'm posting. But don't worry, you don't have to do a personal page too. Another thing I've been doing is running a theme page. I actually have a little series. I'll plug it up here somewhere. You can go check that out. But I've been growing this from 0 to as high as I can, and I've been focusing on the theme of luxury. So I've been posting a bunch of videos about like cars, cool mansions, just random stuff that's very luxurious and that you'd have to have a ton of money to get. Even money itself, some videos on there are just photos of money, whatever, doesn't really matter, just somewhat related to that theme. Anyways, people who are really into that luxury theme stuff will check out one of my videos by seeing it on their For You page, and then as a result, they'll probably go check out my page, and then if they're interested in all the stuff I'm posting, they'll give me a follow. And actually, as of recording my last video, I had about 500 followers when I posted that video, and now I'm almost at 2,000 followers, and it's been under a week, so my growth has actually been going really exponential recently. That was a small little update on the series that I'm doing. But anyway, let's move on to tip number 2. And that tip is that you need to post a ton. And when I say a ton, I mean you need to be posting like 5 to 10 times daily. A lot of you guys are going to be like, Spencer, I don't want to spam everybody. TikTok's gonna think I'm too spammy. But guys, this is a loaded bowl. You can just keep posting as much content as you possibly can, and TikTok is gonna eat it up. Because really what TikTok growth comes down to is having viral videos. And the more videos you have, means that you have more chances of going viral. So you just need to keep uploading content, and surprisingly, the videos that you don't think are gonna go viral are usually the ones that will. So yeah, even if it's like a trash video that took you like a minute to make, just post it. Why not? Even if it gets like 100 views, maybe one person will follow you, but hey, that's one more person following you, and that wouldn't have happened if you didn't post the video. So yeah, you don't need to have that perfect feed of 100,000 views per video, because that's not gonna happen unless you actually work for it. Keep posting videos consistently and grind that up. By the way, right now I'm actually running a 3rd account, which is another personal page, but it's not related to dropshipping. I'm actually just experimenting with the TikTok algorithm with this account, and I'm trying to see if I can go viral just with having like a little follower count. Anyways, that's for another video. Let's just move on to tip number 3. And that 3rd tip actually is that you want to be making duets with a lot of the famous creators on the app. Literally, TikTok has a tool where you can put yourself right next to the face of the most popular creators on the app. So if someone's just scrolling through their FYP or their For You page, and they scroll down and see someone like Charlie D'Amelio just on a side next to your face, Charlie is going to catch their attention at first, and then if you're doing something funny alongside of her, then maybe they're gonna give you a follow too and engage with your posts. Plus, duets are a great way to make some more funny original content, because like you can just take some video, add your own spin to it, and like literally just play with the other video as it's going on. You can do a lot of creative stuff with it. As an example of this, actually on this new viral account that I'm trying to blow up, hasn't happened yet, but anyway, on this account, I made a video that was Charlie just like doing a little renegade, I think it was, in the bathroom or whatever, and I was just like on my TikTok, I was just standing to the side of it, and it was just like, Charlie, let me in, I have to go to the bathroom, and I don't know, it's just a little goofy. I can maybe put the video up here or something so you guys can check it out, but yeah, this is pretty much just a simple little stupid idea that you can do, but whatever, it actually probably is like the best performing video on my page so far, so doing duets is definitely the move. Alright, moving on to tip number 4, and that is the hashtag strategy and what hashtags you're going to want to be using with your videos. One thing I've learned over time is that hashtags are really important on TikTok, just like Instagram, but making sure to not look spammy with them is even more important than the amount of hashtags you're using. So I think in my earlier videos I mentioned that I've used like 8 to 10 hashtags per post, basically the max I could do. But I've actually stopped doing that, and I'm following a more unique hashtag strategy now. The reason I'm doing this is because if people see a bunch of spammy hashtags, that actually cuts into the video. So like if you're having only a few hashtags at the bottom, your caption's gonna remain on the lower half of the phone, but if you have a ton of hashtags, it's gonna cover up like a quarter of the screen and it looks really spammy. So for my hashtags now, I have 3 things that I focused on specifically, and I have 1 to 2 hashtags for each of these 3 things. So first, I use 1 to 2 hashtags that are trending at this time. So an example would be like quarantine or stay at home or something like that. These are just really popular right now, and as a result, a lot of people are scrolling through these hashtags. Along with this, I also do 1 to 2 just always going to be popular hashtags such as FYP or For You or hashtag TikTok, stuff like that. I usually include just 1 of those in my videos. And for the third part of the hashtag strategy, you're going to want to include 2 hashtags, 1 to 2 hashtags that relate directly to the video that you did. So let's say you did a duet with someone famous, like I mentioned in the previous tip. You would do hashtag duet, and then like if you're doing a video about like plants or something, I don't know, you do hashtag plants. It doesn't really matter, just something related to the video. Alright guys, for tip number 5 is that you need to stay consistent with it. Don't burn yourself out posting like 50 videos in 5 days. Like, you're gonna burn out really quick if you do that. I mean, that's very optimal, but if you can't keep doing that, then it's not even worth it. Like, if you post 50 videos in 5 days and then drop it for 3 days entirely because you're sick of it, then TikTok is gonna see you as super inconsistent, and as a result, when you come back to it, you're not gonna get put on the FYP as much. So my suggestion for you is that if you think you're gonna burn out, try and post at least once a day. This is really easy. You can bang a video out in less than 5 minutes, but more optimally, you want to aim for like 3 times a day. And if you're looking for the most optimal results, I would suggest doing 5 or more a day. But really, it all depends on how much you can do without burning yourself out, because if you burn yourself out, that's bad. You're not going to get a following and everything's going to go downhill. And like I said, with more posts, like I said in tip number 2, with more posts, you have better odds of going viral. So just keep posting every day, keep posting a lot, and you're going to see success in the future. It's just a matter of time. As long as your content isn't complete trash, that is. Alright guys, that's all 5 tips, but I actually have a bonus tip for you guys too. A really important thing that you can do is capitalize on trends and capitalize on what's working. Let's say you're averaging like 10 views a video, pretty trash, but you have one video that gets like 1,000 views out of nowhere. This should be an indicator that you should make more videos like that video that got 1,000 views. I've mentioned this account previously, but the one I'm trying to go viral on, I had a video get like 2,000 views and my other ones were getting around 100, so I made more videos like that, and sure enough, I was getting 1,000 views on each video that was like this. As well as capitalizing on what's working well from your own content, look what's working well for other people. If you see a popular trend going around, you should be creating a video with that trend and maybe even put your own spin on it. Try and get a little bit more creative, and hopefully that video will go viral. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. I really hope this brought some value to you guys, and I really hope this enlightened you to show you that TikTok is really just a numbers game. You need to keep staying consistent with it and keep posting, and eventually that viral video will come. Just don't give up. Big thing, do not give up on it. If you just keep going, I promise you it will work long term. Alright guys, if this video helped you in any way, shape, or form, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing? Nah, I'm just kidding around, but anyways, if you have any more comments or anything you want to ask me, just leave a comment below. Alright guys, that's all for me for today, so until the next video guys, peace.